We guide you through how to instantly transfer money to PayPal with no fees. First thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account on the app or website and make sure your account is linked to a verified bank account. Instead of using credit or debit card, which usually charges fees, choose your bank account as the funding source. Next, go to Add Money or Transfer Funds, then select your bank account and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the details and complete the transfer. Using a linked bank account ensures that money moves instantly or within a short period without any extra charges. Once completed, your PayPal balance will be updated immediately, ready for online purchases, sending to friends and family, or paying for services, all without incurring any fees. Following this method is the safest and most cost efficient way to fund your PayPal account instantly.